YouTube? We back at it with another video. That pack touchdown, man. I don't even know what pair this is right here. I've been getting a lot of orders in. Oh man, I think I know what this is though. But yeah, have a lot of orders on the way. Been getting a lot of packages in. Stuff I want to review on the channel, stuff I want to check out. Supplies for barbering. Attended the Empire Barber Expo yesterday. It was dope. I tapped in with a lot of people. Good networking. Also knowledge, learning different things about the industry, about cutting. 360 Jeezy, crisp. Like it was so many barbers that I learned how to cut from on YouTube. Like barbers that I've been studying, learning how to cut by watching YouTube videos, and then you can get that practical experience based on the video, the knowledge that you gain from the videos. There's a lot you can learn on YouTube. So yeah, man, it was dope to get out there, tap in. It was actually real close to the crib. But yeah, I found out about the Barber Expo. It's here in LA. I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta go tap in. Ooh-wee. I know exactly what this is. Can y'all see the box? Y'all see the reflection off of it? Ooh-wee. That thing go crazy. You see the box though? We're not gonna hype up the box too crazy. But yeah, I know exactly what this is. Year of the Snake. Does it say that on the box? Air Jordan 11 Retro Low CNY Chinese New Year. Oh man, I grabbed these for retail. Sneakers app had them. I didn't know if I liked or loved these kicks based on the videos that I've seen or the pictures, because it really didn't do them justice. Like, I don't know if you all can see, but the color does change as it hit the light. I don't have much lighting right now. I gotta work on that. I have the perfect fit to rock with these. I have a Dallas Mavs jersey. The City Connect Mavs jersey will go perfect. These are clean right here. The Jordan 11 highs, lows. I just love the Jordan 11. They definitely my favorite Jordans. See the inside right here. It does have the carbon fiber on the bottom. These nice soles, man. It's kind of that milky look, that cream look on the bottom. It's not the icy blue look, but overall, like, I like the shoe. Seeing it in person, having it in hand is great. Like I said, I couldn't tell if I liked or loved this shoe based off the pictures that I was seeing online. I actually saw a video. Somebody had an early pair also, but seeing them in person, man, they go crazy. The leather is good quality. Like, that's the worst thing ever when you get a retro Jordan and you looking at the quality of the leather and it's like, bro, what is this? What is this? What is this? But I'm seeing it like as they hit the light, the reflection, they go crazy. These right here go crazy. If you have the opportunity to grab these retail or below retail, if you wait it out and there's some sitting on GOAT, StockX, wherever, if you can grab these for below retail, even better. But I do believe these things are going to move just off looking at them. It is the Jordan 11. It's the Jordan 11. What more can we say? We have seen Jordan 11s in the past sit though. But with these being the Chinese New Year, I do have a feeling that they're going to move. This is nasty, like just a reflection off these. I love this shoe already. Can't wait to pull these out. Jordan 11s with the Dallas Mavs, City Connect. I can see it right now. Go perfect with that. But yeah, I definitely recommend grabbing these if you're able to. I would say 9 out of 10 for me. I love this shoe. Not the best Jordan 11, but it's definitely up there on my list. This right here makes me think back to like the snakeskin lows, the blue, even the green snakeskin lows. So having these, the year of the snakes, is dope, man. Shout out to Nike, shout out to Jordan. They did their thing with this colorway for sure. But yeah, I hope you all did enjoy this quick unboxing video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of additional content coming, a lot of different stuff we doing on the channel. I just got to start being more consistent with the content. But yeah, with that being said, I'm out, family. Peace.